Hi, I'm Dr. Nydile, consultant dermatologist at Pelure Skin Clinic, Bengaluru. How to stop hair from breaking? Hair breakage is a super common condition nowadays, but blaming it on genetics, hectic lifestyle, or harsh water in your city is not just it. You are facing hair breakage because of the weakness in the hair shaft rather than the hair root or hair follicle. This happens due to a lot of reasons like overstyling with the heat styling tools, hair dryers, or curling irons, which not only weakens your hair shaft but also strips the natural moisture from your hair, leading to breakage of the hair. Some of the most common practices like combing the hair when they are wet, or rough handling the hair, brushing your hair too many times, aggressing towel drying, tight hairstyle, and excessive use of chemical based hair products can all make your hair weaker. But this is not the end of the world. I'll tell you some of the simple tips that you can follow to make this hair fall anxiety go away. Limit the usage of heat styling tools or hair styling tools. Suppose you want to heat style your hair, always try to use heat protectants for your hair before giving the heat to your hair. Always limit the use of heat styling tools or curling irons to the hair. In case if you want to use, try to use the heat protectant for your hair before using the heat styling tools. If you are using blow dryer, then use it in a cold air setting. Try to keep the blow dryer 15 cm away from your hair and use it. Use wide tooth combs, preferably the bamboo or the wooden ones, better than plastic ones, and never skip a conditioner after washing your hair. Try to use conditioner which has argan oil or cocoa butter, shea butter or coconut oil in your hair care routine. Your nutrition plays an important role in giving the strength to your hair. Always have healthy diet and take adequate amount of vitamins, minerals, proteins in your diet. And if you are somebody who's used to having tight hairstyle, drop the habit. Apart from all these external and internal factors, recent studies have shown that stress is one of the major cause for hair fall. So take it easy, de-stress yourself with walk or exercise or yoga, spend time with your favorite people. So keep yourself happy for the hair to be happy as well.